Hello everyone, this is Ankang from Hong Kong Group. Today we will elevator shipping to Canada. Elevator with glass out gel. We are packed in wooden case. Please look it. The transaction elevator is 5 floors. Load is 630. If you want to, you can contact us. We will give a quotation. Thank you. Bye bye.